think I see you over to my left.
The drop off on your left up there.
Well, good morning, everybody. Me and Bandit made it here to camp last night about shortly. It was a little bit after midnight. It's a bad fog, and yeah, we slowed down when we hit the gravel roads, but it wasn't too bad. We still got here, and then we hung out with Josh and had a beer till about, I think, 2 in the morning, and then the rain started, so we called it quits and went to the tent. And I'll show y'all one of the things that I found with a problem with my tent that kind of irritated about, but we'll get through it, is my skylight here. So we'll open it up and show you. So you see on this skylight, you see this mark right here? That's where my ladder rides on both sides, and it's got holes worn in my rain fly where the skylight is. So I'm gonna have to put like some type of clear thick tape strips over that to protect my tent. And yeah, it's really windy here for some reason. But let me show you the views. This is my view out my side. Pretty friggin' nice. And Bandit's view over here. We got his window open too. Ta-da! Look at that window. There's the creek some more over there. There's the big old hill we had to drive up. We'll drive down. Yeah. And then over that way is where Josh is set up at. Other than the wind, it's pretty friggin' nice out here. I think if I turn my truck around, I'll get some solar. Well, good morning, everybody. We're out of the tent, made coffee, checking out the views. And I tell you what, this is an absolutely beautiful campsite. Got this nice little bluff right here beside it. Across a little creek, there's a running creek. Love that sound. It helps you sleep so much better here at night. Bandit likes it too. I'm Bandit. Bandit and Bella hit it off again right off the bat last night, no fight. It rained a little bit, and man, the wind just picked up crazy bad last night. And then it's still pretty breezy this morning, but Sun's coming up, no rain, and it'll probably be a good day. Not sure if we're gonna move around or just stay here for the day and then move tomorrow, but either way, I don't care. I'm enjoying this view. This place is beautiful. So far, it's been an awesome campsite. Me and Bandit and Bella and Josh been hanging out and just talking gear and enjoying the scenery and just talking about other trips we'd like to take and just enjoying ourselves. It's just really nice to get out and just relax, you know. So we just can't get over the scenery. We keep walking around, me and Bandit do, going around to the different spots and looking, like crossing this little bridge right here, which has got this beautiful view right here, as well as this one over here. It's been super windy today. We're hoping the wind will die down tonight. We've been using the propane fire pit because of the wind. We're hoping it'll die down tonight and we can actually have a wood fire, but if not, propane's just as good. So we had one last night. The propane fire pit was great last night with the wind. Yeah, it's been a learning experience. Just, as always, you always find something you forgot or you wish you'd have brought with you or something you want to change, and that's all I'm doing is dialing in my gear and getting ready for bigger trips. So Arkansas is definitely a beautiful place to be. I love coming here. Every time we get a chance to come up here, I come up here. I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful here. Next to this stream and having these views and stuff, you just have to ask the expert. No, not me. I'm not the expert. He's the expert. Relaxing, Bandit? Is it relaxing? You looking at the camera? Yeah. Soon it became time to get the fire going. Get the steaks seasoned up, ready to go on the grill. And kick back and have a good dinner. The night was very beautiful. And it was a perfect shot of the moon, so I had to get the Nikon out to record it. zooming in with the Nikon on the moon is pretty difficult to hold it still, even on a tripod. But I think I got some really good footage of the craters on the moon. I can't resist getting good pictures of the moon when it's out. Receiver hitch came out. Easy. Easy. Keep going, easy. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, your trailer's up. Hang on a second. It just nosed over. We still don't know where or when the pin fell out of Josh's receiver hitch, or even how. But luckily I had a bolt that would fit, and we were able to get him back up and going again and get connected to his trailer. Now it was my turn to come up the hill. And let me just say, thank God for safety chains. We had a great time on this trip. We covered miles and miles of back roads, seen some amazing water features, some streams, but it was time for us to head home. Lead the way.